Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is a swap that I was in with Scrap the World card swap. I was group 1 and my entries have finally, well, they came in a while ago. I finally went to my P.O. box to check them. And the people in my group are My Sister's Scrapper, West Coast Crafty Babe, and Crafting with a Smile. Hello, you guys. Hopefully, they're able to see my videos. I'm gonna go check their videos out and see what they've done, and hopefully they like my swap, what I created. And let's get into this, you guys. This is my first swap with Scrap the World. Let's go ahead and get into this. I'm choosing this one because I love pink. So let's see. I have no idea who this one is from. And oh, it is My Sister Scrapper. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this. And I love her packaging. I love this ribbon right here. It says beauty. I love the floral, the pink. I love the paper as well. I just love this. Look at it. I don't even want to open it. Oh, it's open for me. Thank you. Thank you for that. So it's open there, and it is a card swap. So let me go ahead and take all that out. I love her packaging. That is neat. Really neat. What is that? Is that old newspaper? I love that. I just love that. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's see. Here we have the card, and I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I said card, but they're all cards, so let's find out which card this is. It says love. It has this beautiful flat bow. I love this die. It has some pearls and washi right there, it looks like. And it's a tiny little envelope. It says to and from. It has Velcro. I'm gonna open this one. Look at this. This is the ATC. It's dimensional. And I love this glitter. I love the flower, the heart. It's so dainty, vintage. I love this twine right here. And I love the paper piece, the ephemera on the back. I really do love this. And look at, okay, so glad her address wasn't there. So this is what she likes, and her YouTube is My Sister Scrapper Ginger Rope, I believe. And favorite color to craft is pink. I love pink too. It's my favorite, as well as all the pastels. Wish item Nouveau Cristo drops. Favorite tradition making reindeer and food and sprinkling it on the lawn. So there it is. I love that. Thank you so much for that. Here's this one. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Here it is. And this looks like it is the card, just a note card, and it says love. It has the same butterfly. Oh no, this was a flower. So it has the butterfly, has love, a little tiny doily. I love that doily. Look how cute that is. I love it. And then in this velvet trim or ribbon, I love that as well. Look how beautiful that is. And you open it, it says Happy Valentine's Day. I love this. Look at that envelope. I love this so much. Okay, so let me go ahead and put that in there. So this is the note card. This is the ATC card. And then this, I believe, is for a gift card holder. So there, you put it in there, and that's the piece right there, which is also beautiful. I love it. And she sent these amazing flowers by Little Birdie. And oh, the pearl fell off, but don't worry. I'll go ahead and glue that on. And I love these. I love the color as well. Look at that color. And then this is her packaging. So let me move this out of the way so we could take a look at everything. So she sent that goodie. This is the note card. This is for a gift card. And this is the ATC. Look how beautiful that is. I just love it. Thank you so much, My Sister Scrapper. Thank you so much. This is beautiful. Next, we have this one right here. I'm not sure whose it is. It's going to be either from West Coast Crafty Babe or Crafting with a Smile. So it's Christmassy, and I love Christmas. Let's see what's in here. And she has, I love this bag. It's like a mesh bag, and then she has this Santa tag, and it just says my YouTube name, Buzzing with V, and of course I love these from DT. I did buy the gold ones, so let's get into this bag. Whoa, we got some fun going on here. Look at these balls. So here's this right here, and this is the ATC. Let's open it. So here is the ATC. It's a gingerbread, and it's dimensional, and I love the flowers. I love the candy canes, and it has some snowflakes, and look on the top, you guys. Can you see that? It looks like snow. I think this is done with Nuvo Drops, but I'm not sure. I'll have to check her channel out. And it says Gingerbread Hugs, and this is from West Coast Crafty Babe. Thank you so much for your swap. I appreciate you. And her favorite color to craft with is pink. I love pink too. And her $5 wish item is stickles. I love stickles as well. And her holiday tradition is dressing up my fur babies. And look at this. This is the note card. I love how she put this in this bag. It has this beautiful bag topper with a rose and a bow. And I just love that. And it looks like she glittered or stickled it. But that is beautiful. Look at that shine. I'm going to go ahead and open this. So here's the note card, and it says Sweet Holiday Wishes, and 2 gingerbread with a heart and a snowflake and some rhinestones on the corner. And that is it right there. I love this with a little tiny envelope. Isn't that cute, you guys? She did a beautiful job. So there's that. And then look at this. It's already open, so I'm just going to dig right in. Look at that bag topper. Beautiful work right there. And look at this, you guys. How pretty is this? Look at the fur. It's a very bougie, isn't it? Look at that. I love it. Snowflake, hearts, flowers, the gingerbread, and it says to and from. And I believe you pull this out. Hopefully I'm not going to break anything. And no, you don't pull that out. So this is the gift card holder. Isn't that cute? I just love this. Look how fun that is. Oh, look at that. It's so... Look at it. I'll just love it. It's bougie to me. And look at what she sent. She sent some extra goodies. And I'm going to open these, and these wood pieces right here. I've seen these. I can't remember where they're from, but I believe Target. But look at these. I love these, especially the houses. I love the houses. Aren't they awesome? I love them. Okay, so we got that. Next, she sent this tag to and from. And let's see here. What is this? I think it's just a tag, or it could be another gift card holder. Yeah, it's another gift card holder. So we have 2, it looks like. And then she sent some more goodies. Look at this sequence right here. There's gold angels and snowflakes and Santa and trees. And then she sent some stickers. How generous. And look at how vintage these look. I love them. Thank you so much for this, West Coast Crafty Baby, guys. This is what she sent, and this was her swap. Next is, I believe, Crafting with a Smile. And look how pretty this is. Look at this bag. This is kind of like a vinyl bag. And then she has my initial right here with this bow, and it's like a lavender and a purple. And look at these poinsettias, and then there's dimensionals right there. They're like little flat backs, and I do not want to cut into this. Now I know how you guys feel cutting into my stuff that I sew, but Okay, let's go ahead and try this. I'm just gonna cut from the corner and see what is in here. Okay, so I will speed this up. Okay, so I can open this. Look at this. Oh my god, no, I ripped it. Okay, I'm just gonna cut into this. Oh, that hurt my heart. That hurt my heart, you guys. Oh my goodness, I can't do this. Oh goodness. Okay, let's see here. Oh, that's a beautiful bag. Oh my goodness. Let me make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, I hate that I ripped it. Nothing in there. Okay, look at that bag. Isn't that pretty? Okay, let's see what we have. We have goodies. And these are, ooh, look at those. Those are different. I don't have these. They're like really thin, like tinsel. I never seen that, but I love it. Thank you so much. Okay, ooh, let's open this. I see this and I'm like, what is this? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and it says for you, so it must be a goodie. Look how cute this is, you guys. Look how cute. It's a miniature like box full of, these are not sequins. What are these? What are these? Oh, there's miniature diamonds. Look how pretty that is. I love that. Thank you so much, Crafting with a Smile. I love that. Thank you. Okay, next, looks like this is a note card. I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay, look at her note card. Look how festive it is. It has 2 snowflakes and they're glittered. Looks like glittered cardstock. And actually 3. There's that teal, the purple, and then the white, and in the middle is the flat back stone. And then she has 4 flat backs on the corners, and then the white glitter background, and then the teal glitter border. That is so festive. Joy. And there is the card. It is so sturdy. I love it. Look at this card and look at this envelope. Isn't that festive? I love this color as well. And she included some score tape, so I can go ahead and put this envelope together when I'm ready. And look. It's just like a little envelope box. I love this. Thank you so much. Next is this miniature little envelope. And let's see what's in here. Oh, I love all this miniature stuff.
She gave me some goodies. Look at this. I'm hiding these for my kids. It's late at night, so they can't see. I'm gonna hide them. I'm eating them for myself. I love chocolates.
We love chocolates. My kids love chocolates more than I do. But yeah, thank you for that. And look at this ATC. I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. Look how blingy this is. And there's a shaker, all that sequence in there. So it looks like she has purple glitter cardstock on the back. Then she has this silver foil paper like the one from Michaels. And then it has a snowflake, and then it has this fishtail that says Noel with sequins in the back. And look how glittery and blingy and flashy this is. Thank you so much for this. I appreciate this. I love it. And then here's this little tag, and it just says all our names. Okay, so Crafting with a Smile, her name is Vanessa. Thank you so much, Vanessa. I appreciate this. And it was so much fun. I love digging into Happy Mail. So this looks like maybe the gift card holder, because we have the ATC and then the note card, and then this is the gift card holder. Look how cute that is. I can't wait to open this. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. So the backing is this beautiful shimmery paper, and it looks like she may have, yes, it's a embossed paper, and it looks like she put some shimmer on it. I'm not sure if that is like glitter mist or that glitter pin. What is that called? I forgot. But look at that. That's pretty. Very pretty paper. And then this is a mailbox, and it has some mail sticking out, which is cute. Has this like a 3D poinsettia. Look how pretty that is. And some peppermints, a candy cane, some rhinestones. It says merry and bright, and then it says pull right here. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this, and that is where the gift card goes. Look how cute this is. Very fun and interactive. Thank you so much, Vanessa. I appreciate this. This was very fun to go through and open, and I'm going to check out your guys' channels. I thank you so much, all of you, for the swap. I appreciate it. And Tamika for hosting. I appreciate this so much. And you guys, I'm going to link them all below if you'd like to go and see their videos and check them out and see. Bye!